So what I'm going to show now is what happens when the information becomes out of sync. So I jump across to NBS Create, and maybe we change our mind on the carpet system. So I drop down here and remove that from the job. Maybe it's too expensive and I want to specify a different floor covering here. So let's just come through here and we'll add, instead of an edge fixed carpet system, we'll add a rolled carpet system. And WC assembly on the left hand side we'll maybe rename to toilet system. Remember the doors to the garage area, we're in National BIM Library components, so I've got to add that specification myself. So we'll see what door sets are here in NBS, and I'll add industrial door set system and tweak that a little bit to make it a garage door. So we've got a few changes now that we've actually got to bring the design model back into sync. I'm going to change that to garage door. So now we've got a potential problem that the annotations in all the drawings are slightly out of sync with what's in the specification. And this is a big cost to industry if these aren't checked correctly. I think our research shows that it's about £2 billion worth of rework are done every year on construction projects in the UK. I think 10% of all claims, construction claims that go to the courts. So instead of having to check through hundreds and hundreds of drawings and specifications and sign your name against it, I can come to the NBS toolbar and ask to verify annotations. And what this is going to do now is check through the specification and check that against what's in the model. So let's just move this across a little bit. And we can see here that the edge fixed carpet system has been removed by a user, and the WC assembly, if I go further down, has been renamed to toilet system on the 7th of May by a particular user. So I can come down here and say rename and model, and if you watch the left hand side you see WC assembly in the design model changed to toilet system. The edge fixed carpet system, you can't just automatically rename, you've got to look inside the specification and pick the relevant clause. So I have a little scan down here and I can see the rolled carpet system now, and when I click associate you can see all of the errors go to 0, and the edge fixed carpet system has changed to rolled carpet system. If we click on other objects we can see we've got the garage door that's not currently annotated. So I can click that button and go and look at it. And then in terms of stamping the parameters in, what I've got to do is select the garage door, come to the NBS toolbar at the top and just say associate this object with the clause in the spec. There's the garage door set system, and that's now been stamped in. So when I go and check my annotations again, verify annotations, I can see I've now got 20 objects that are linked, not just 19. And if we come down to the door sets, there's the garage door set, which is now in sync between the design model and the specification model.